They just cracked. I cannot believe that. That is like instant relief. I've had so much tension in my lower back and my upper back because I have scoliosis. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. Oh, did you hear that crack? Like in between my shoulder blades. I could just sit here all day, honestly. Feels amazing. Oh my god, my neck just cracked. I feel instantly stretched out. So much tension in this area, and it's literally hitting right where I need it to. It gets in those spots that you can never reach, like perfectly. Get one now.